Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Yes, it's been a while. I think its last video was like 5 months ago, so yeah. I thought I'd make another one. I'm home now from school, so I got some time, free time. Might as well make a video. This topic today's probably pretty good. By the title, you probably clicked it to see what I'm talking about, so we'll go on from here. Let's get started. More importantly today, I want to talk about different ways to help, different ways to alleviate, I guess, stuffy nose, runny nose, problems that you might have, you know, congestion or whatever. But because it's winter time up here, I know I get runny nose, stuffy nose. I hate dealing with that, but I found a way. Actually, my great-grandmother gave me a product to use, and it's been the best. I use it every time, and it goes away. It doesn't go away, but it alleviates the sensation of the runny nose just like that, and I can continue on with my day. And I actually think it was about 2 years ago. It's been a while, I'll tell you that. Jeez. I actually made a video on Vicks vapour rub. For some reason, everybody in the comments thinks I say vapor. No, vapo. Yeah, I say vapo. I don't know. It's vapor rub. We'll get that started. For acne treatment, well, I actually use Vicks vapour rub when I'm sick, when I have a runny nose. Now, a lot of you guys know what the Vicks vapour rub is. This is an old bottle, probably like expired like, I don't know, 6 years ago or whatever. But I still use it. When you have a runny nose, you hate it. You don't want to put, carry it along the tissues and, soak up all that jazz. So what I find helps is if you have a Vicks vapour rub, like the wax or I don't know what it is, gel or whatever. What I end up doing is I end up taking a little bit and putting it under my nose, and that helps alleviate the congestion and the runny nose feeling. Now that was just, the Vicks vapour rub. A lot of you guys came to see what I was talking about with this. Now it's it's not like put it on and it's not like that. What this actually is the wrapper fell off, but it's a Vicks vapour rub inhaler. Now I find this is the best because if I put on this stuff, if I put this on, it's either before bed or if I'm home all day. I don't go out with this in this, to the stores or to school, because if you put it under your nose, it's going to show, it's going to shine, and I don't want that. But with this, it's an inhaler, and it has I'm guessing some kind of medicine form in like a stick or whatever, and all you do is you go and jeez, that's why I like it. It's strong. You go and sniff, and if you have a runny nose or stuffy nose, that helps alleviate, like I said, the feeling of it there. So if I have a runny nose and if I use this, it kicks in right away. I don't notice it anymore. I don't have to wipe away all that fun stuff that you get from the runny nose and all that jazz. All that jazz. I've been using that word a lot. Jeez. It's been a while. All that jazz. Yeah. But to be honest, if you have a runny nose or stuffy nose, you got to go buy. And if you use Vicks vapour rub, like I said, either in this stuff or the inhaler, go and get this inhaler. This is probably the best thing. I keep this in my school bag just in case. Because, if I have the runny nose in class, I don't want to be sniffling. I don't want to be, getting the tissue and soaking up the jazz. See, I don't want to be soaking up everything. So all I have to do is bring this, sniff, and then that gets rid of the feeling of it there. That helps you breathe again. Because this is menthol and all that. Camphor and menthol. I talked about camphor again and Vicks vapour rub video. It's good. It can go on your skin and in your I don't know what I said before, but yeah, I just thought I end it there before I go off and start talking about Vicks Vapor Rub, and then I'll have people commenting that I say it wrong. Well, whatever. But to be completely honest, like I said, if you have a runny nose or a stuffy nose, and if you go to like school or you're going out of town or work or anything, highly suggest getting the inhaler. You can go in, they pretty much have it at any store that sells like medicine and stuff. I believe, don't quote me on this, it depends on where you buy it. I believe I got this, I believe when I went to a store, I saw it for about $4. So that's pretty good compared to if you go and buy the gel or whatever this stuff is. That's probably around what, 6, 7? I'm not sure, but this is a product to use if you have runny nose, stuffy nose. It helps alleviate it, especially around this time of year. I know that's a different video for today, but like I said, if I find something useful, I'll put a video up and talk about it a little bit more in depth. But anyways, I have another video coming out, and it's a little bit of an experiment that I want to try and see if it actually works. So I'm very excited about that, and I'll probably do that within the month or a couple of weeks. So look forward to that. Anyways, thanks for watching. I hope if you like the video and have need to alleviate your sinuses and all that, you go and pick this up from the store, because like I said, works every time. You can keep it in your pocket, your bag or whatever, and go from there. But anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Have a good one.